everyone, welcome back to my channel, MCCDesignz. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the chain stitch. This is the absolute beginner stitch for when you're first starting out to learn crochet. And this is what you'll use at the beginning of any of your crochet projects to get started and to build upon this as your first row in a project. And today what I'll be using and what you'll need to create this same thing is a crochet hook. You can use any size, but I am using a 5mm crochet hook today, and also some yarn. I'm using worsted weight yarn, the Brava brand from We Crochet. This is in the color blush, and by worsted I mean that it is a medium 4-weight yarn, and you can tell this by looking for this little symbol on your ball of yarn. It is a small little 4 on a skein of yarn. And you should be able to find that on the back of any skein of yarn. All right, so let's get started. So first step is to make a slip knot. And this is how I prefer to make my slip knots. I wrap the yarn around my thumb, and then I flip the loop over. So there's an X right here. And I use my pointer finger and my thumb to grab the other string that I'm holding in my other hand. Right, and then I've made a loop, and it is called a slip knot because you can easily slip it through and untie it. I'm going to do that one more time, holding it in both hands in a triangle form, and then I'm going to flip it over and grab the string that's loose, just like that. Alright, so now you have your slip knot. You're going to take your crochet hook, and you're going to hook the loop onto your hook, and then you're going to pull it snug. You don't want to be too tight, you want to be able to keep it mobile and moving around. That way it's easier to work into a looser chain. Alright, so now I'm just going to grab my yarn, and this is my preferred method of holding it. You just hold it however you're comfortable, but I like to secure my yarn with my middle and my thumb and hold the tension with my pointer finger. Right, so this is how you chain stitch. You're going to use your hook, yarn over so that you can have it attached on your hook, and then you're going to pull through that loop that you created. So then you have another loop. Right, and so you're going to repeat that same thing. You're going to use your hook, you're going to yarn over so it's crossed, and you can hook it, and then you pull it through the other loop, just like that. Right, so you're going to yarn over so you kind of have 2 loops on your hook, and you pull the first one through the second one, just like that. And if you're finding it to be too tight, you can pull up on your hook here and make it a little bit of a wider loop. Or if it's too loose, you can use this finger and tighten that band right there, that loop. Right, so again, yarn over, pull through that loop, yarn over, pull through that loop. And you can kind of see that I'm twisting the hook a little bit. I'm manipulating that hook so that it can securely grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. All right, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and there is what you should be having, something that looks a little bit like little chain stitches. And this is the very first step in crocheting. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Feel free to make any comments, any questions about any stitches you want to learn, and I'll try and make some more tutorials for you all. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.